One-pan wonders are here. Right, let's get one thing straight. I've seen kitchens that look like a bomb's hit 'em after making a simple bloody dinner. Pots and pans everywhere. Food scraps looking like a modern art disaster. It's a nightmare. So, are you tired of complicated dinners and endless cleanup? What if I told you, yes, you, that you could whip up a healthy, delicious meal using just one pan and the freshest spring veggies? Welcome to Daily Dose of Health. Today, we're bringing you 3 mouth-watering one-pan dinner recipes that celebrate the best of spring's bounty. Let's cook. Recipe number 1. Shrimp that sings, not screams. Alright, first up, a zesty lemon garlic shrimp dish that's as quick as it is flavorful. Now don't you dare even think about using those sad, pre-cooked, rubbery excuses for shrimp. We want fresh, plump, beautiful prawns. Get the best you can find because the shrimp is the star here. We're pairing these beauties with crisp asparagus and sweet snap peas classic spring heroes. The key here is timing and heat. Too little heat and they'll stew, too much and they'll turn into tiny pink erasers. First things first, prep your veg. Asparagus, snap off the woody ends. Snap peas, just a quick wash. Garlic, minced finely. Lemon zest and juice. Get your pan on a medium-high heat. A little olive oil, let it shimmer. Don't overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if you must. Now the shrimp. In they go. Listen for that sizzle. A minute or 2 each side until they're perfectly pink and curled. Once they're nearly there, toss in your asparagus and snap peas. Then in with the garlic. Cook it for about 30 seconds until it's fragrant. Next, the lemon. Zest in, juice in. A little swirl, a toss to coat everything beautifully. Seasoning, salt, freshly cracked black pepper. Taste it. Always taste your food. This dish should be bright, vibrant, and screaming fresh. Serve this straight from the pan, family style, or plate it up nicely with a little sprinkle of fresh parsley if you're feeling fancy. One pan to wash, and you've got a restaurant-quality meal on the table. Next up, Primavera. That's actually fresh, not a flop. Right, moving on. Next, a vibrant Pasta Primavera that's bursting with seasonal veggies. Now, Primavera. The name itself means spring, doesn't it? So why, oh why, do I see so many versions that look like a sad, overcooked vegetable graveyard mixed with soggy pasta? It's an insult. A proper Primavera should be light, fresh, and celebrate the beautiful, tender vegetables of the season. We're not making a heavy, creamy mess here. We're aiming for elegance and flavor, all in one glorious pan. For this, you'll want a selection of spring's finest. Think young peas, perhaps some slender asparagus cut into bite-sized pieces, maybe some baby zucchini or yellow squash. The key is variety in color and texture. Pasta-wise, something like a penne, fusilli, or even a linguine would work beautifully. Cook it al dente. Get your large pan or skillet ready. A little olive oil, medium heat. Start with some finely chopped shallots or a mild onion, and a touch of garlic. Sauté them gently until softened. Then, in go your heartier vegetables, the ones that take a little longer to cook, like the asparagus or carrots. Give them a head start. Once those initial veggies have softened slightly, it's time for the more delicate ones, your peas, your zucchini. Now, for the sauce. A splash of white wine, if you have it, let it reduce slightly. Then, a bit of vegetable stock or even some of that precious pasta water. When the vegetables are perfectly tender crisp, and your sauce has come together a little, it's time to introduce the pasta. Toss everything together gently but thoroughly. Now, a squeeze of lemon juice to brighten everything up, a handful of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. This dish should be a celebration on a plate. Rustic style. One pan, a complete meal, and absolutely packed with flavor. So there you have it, 3 stunning, delicious, and dare I say, easy one-pan spring dinners. We've done the zesty shrimp, the vibrant primavera, and that beautiful baked chicken. See? It's not about slaving away for hours or creating a mountain of washing up. It's about fresh ingredients, smart techniques, and a bit of passion. Right, my job here is done for today. If you enjoyed these recipes, and I bloody well hope you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Daily Dose of Health for more nutritious and delicious meal ideas. And listen, share your favorite one-pan spring recipes in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Now, get in the kitchen and cook something amazing.